deliberately keeping it to this year because like Ankush will take you further. There are many more to come in very, very short span of time. So without wasting any more time, I'll just start. Yeah. So revolution, as I said, it indeed is a revolution, and like every revolution, which is often result of a progress, we'll just take you through a brief history of television in India before we reveal what we are here for. The first revolution. 1959, TV arrived in India. It is yours truly, Dish TV, which is Dish TV and the group, which has always led from front, setting up an example for the category and keeping customers' need, customers' appetite for entertainment and their ways and methods of consuming entertainment in front. And then we've tried to provide customers what they need. I think this is something all of us know. TV used to be family time. When I say used to be family time,